A of our problem says find the total number of CDs in the collection. Knowing that 38% are one type, 44% are another type, that only leaves 18% left to be Japanese CDs because my percents have to add up to 100. I need to know 18% of what number is 45. I now can write an equation to solve given this statement and what I know about of and is, and then I can turn what number into a variable. Now before we can finish writing the sentence, we do need to make sure that we change the percent to a decimal. And now we can solve. I have 18 hundredths or 18% times x equals 45. Here I have a multiplication equation, and so I use division to undo what's being done. What you do to one side, you must do to the other. Now solve for x. Since we now know after doing the division that x equals 250, we could go up here and fill in what we know now. There are 250 total CDs, and we had found out that 18% of the music CDs were Japanese CDs. Part B of our big question said find the number of Chinese music CDs. And in the original question, 38% of the CDs were Chinese music. We had already figured out that 250 CDs were part of Sumiko's collection. So now we're going to write this statement. I'm going to use what I know of and is, and I must turn my percent into a decimal before I can multiply. I did my multiplication, 250 times 38 hundredths, and I get 95 music CDs. Now that I know that there are 95 Chinese CDs, I subtracted from 250 to be able to fill in that there were 110 English CDs. Part C will now involve the English CDs, and I know that there are 110 English CDs. So let's go to part C. If 60% of the English music CDs are CDs with pop songs, find the number of CDs with English pop songs. So based on our other chart, we know that there are 110 music CDs that are English. And I want to know of these 110, 60% of them are pop songs. So we turn our percent into a decimal. Of means multiply. And I can find out how many of the English pop songs 0, 6, 6, 1, 1. So 66 CDs of the English ones have pop songs.